Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a Friday night and I felt like just creating a makeup look, and this is what I kind of envisioned and came up with. If you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look and this makeup look, then just keep watching. And my really cute thrift store find, Christmas find, you guys have to check that out. So stay watching till the end to see how cute it was, a cute classic Christmas decoration that I found. All right, I'm gonna start off with my Halo Glow from e.l.f. I have this in the shade medium 4, and I'm just gonna pop this all over underneath the CoverGirl Skin Milk as my base. So I never ever do this. I never just come on at night, especially. It's Friday night, and I was just like, you know what? I feel like just coming on here and just having fun with makeup and just creating a look, sitting down and just chatting. So that is what I'm going to do. We had hockey tonight. I went and did a little thrifting. I bought this really cute, like, antique, I'll show you guys, Christmas ornament piece. And yeah, not much else was going on. The kids were off today. Watched the Toronto Maple Leaf game that was airing in Sweden, which was cool. They won. Did my mother-in-law's hair today. So yeah, that is how the day went. And I was like, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I just felt like, why not? My kids are downstairs playing video games, as you might be able to hear. So I'm going in with the Clean and Fresh Skin Milk in the shade 560 Medium. Love this one. This is a nice skin tint that gives you just a nice soft finish. Doesn't feel too heavy on the skin, but also gives you some coverage. And I think I'm gonna do my Christmas decorations this weekend. This would probably be the earliest that I've ever done it, but I just wanna put the decorations up and just feel happy and feel in the spirit of Christmas. They say that studies show that people who are happier, or makes them happier to have their Christmas decorations up early, so just want to be on that vibe. So those two pair really nicely together. We got the glow from the e.l.f. underneath, and then just the softness of the skin milk is giving us a really, really pretty finish on the skin. Because I'm going to do a colorful eyeshadow look, I'm going to go in with my Born to Glow Radiant Concealer in the shade Vanilla. This has a little bit more coverage, and it's one of my brighter concealers. So I just want to pop that on my eyes too, just to make the colors look more pigmented on the eye, give a lighter base for the eyeshadow as well. I'm just going to blend that out in a triangular motion. Going in with my Milani contour. This is in the shade Toffee, and I'm just going to pop that right underneath the cheekbone. I'm just kind of doing a circular motion just to round out those cheeks. On the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, lip. Now I'm going to go in with my Merit Beauty Solo Shadow in the shade Vaqueta. This is the perfect neutral for just if you want to do a one and done all over look. I'm going to use this kind of as a base for the eye. I just kind of want like a neutral look all over my lid, and then I'm going to go in with a pop of color. So this eyeshadow is perfect for that. It just sets down so nicely as like a cream to powder look, and I love this color. I love the brush, the number 2 brush that it comes with. This gives you kind of more a diffused look. If you want it more pigmented, you can use your finger with it and it just blends out so beautifully and really complements any eye color, especially the blue. The warm neutral undertones in it, the warmer hues are definitely complementary to blue eyes. So because this is so neutral and not too deep, I'm just putting it all over the lid. It's not creating a deeper crease. It's actually kind of making the eye look a little bit flatter to me. So perfect. I'll link this in my description box. Use my code to shop the Merit Beauty eyeshadow. I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to go in with my BK Summer in St Tropez palette. This is a good palette for me with a bunch of bright colors, pinks, blues, purples, any kind of color. I'm going to go in with this shade Sizzle right at the bottom, this hot pink color. And I'm just going to start placing that down at the lash line in the outer corner. And it just pairs so nicely with the neutral tone all over the lid. If you're not someone who likes a lot of color on the lid like myself, just kind of doing this, like we're gonna do a nice thick wing of bright pink, is like a pop enough of color without being too much. All right, now that we have this nice bright wing on the end, I'm gonna go in with Nightlife, which is a little bit more of a deeper pink, and it's got some like fuchsia tones to it, and I'm going to place that tighter in the outer corner, near the bottom part. And it's actually not looking deep enough, so I'm gonna go into Cabana, which is more of a purple tone, and try to deepen the outer corner. Just buffed out the liner that I created with eyeshadow with a fluffy brush just to kind of diffuse it a bit, soften it up. Love the way that's looking. Now I'm gonna go into Villa, which is the lighter pink, and a clean angled brush, and I'm just gonna go on the top part of the liner. So I'm gonna come more to the inner corner with it, kind of diffuse it above the bright pink. Gonna go in and tight line with this black eyeliner. Just follow along the upper lash line and kind of come out a little bit on the end. You can just take your finger and just kind of guide it along the pink eyeliner. Now I'm going to pop some of the Tower 28 bronzer in the shade West Coast on my cheeks. I've been loving this lately. At first, when I first got this, was like expecting it to be more of a contour bronzer and I was using it the wrong way, or like an all over bronzer, but this is just so beautiful as like a bronzer slash highlighter in one, and just popping it up on the apples of my cheeks just gives them like such a fresh, dewy look. And I've been using this every day now. It gives me a little bit more color on the cheeks, but also the glow is like so good. I'm obsessed with this. I can understand what the obsession was about. At first I was kind of like, I don't get it, but I just love how glowy it makes me look. Guys, this is the final look. I had this idea in my head of a look like this, and it turned out exactly how I wanted it to look. I knew the shadows I wanted to use, so I will link the St Tropez palette if I can from BH, because it just gives you such great pigmented colors, and I will link the Merit Beauty Solo Shadow as well. I just applied some eyeliner or not eyeliner, mascara, which is like on my fingers. I applied the mascara more to the outer corner of my eye just so that you could see that pop of baby pink along my lash line as well, but so fun. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me on a Friday night. It might not be Friday night where you are right now whenever you're watching this, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, I'm gonna show you what I found at the thrift store. I was watching a TikTok video the other day, and the lady was just talking about like how she wants like a tacky Christmas, like just back to the classic, just really Christmassy vibes, like minimalist beige vibe, whatever. It's beautiful, but just kind of bring back that wholesome, nostalgic feel from Christmas. So when I saw this, I was like 100% I need it. I think it was like $1.99. On the bottom it says 1980 and carved DB, so someone probably made this. It looks like it was hand painted, but how cute is this? It is so cute. I can't wait to decorate. I'm going to do that this weekend, and this is one of the things I'm going to put out.